Hello everyone, good morning. In this video, I want to share about my best holiday experience. Happy watching! Since working, I have saved part of my income to go on vacation with family and friends. My vacation destination is usually in the country, but several times I also vacation abroad. From all these vacations, there is one of the best vacation trips that is very enjoyable and unforgettable for me. When I went on vacation to Paris in 2018 with 4 of my friends. At that time, we received an offer of cheap vacation tickets with Jakarta-Paris departure route and Helsinki-Singapore return route for a total of 7 days. And without thinking for long, we took the offer. We immediately made an itinerary plan for a 7-day trip. After going through several discussions, we finally decided to stay in Paris for 4 days, then took a bus to Amsterdam and stayed for 2 days, and finally took a plane to Helsinki and stayed for 1 day, then returned to Jakarta via Singapore. Then we prepared all the necessities, such as transportation ticket for country transfers, accommodation, and also tickets for tourist destinations. The day of departure arrived. We departed from Soekarno-Hatta International Airport with the Qatar Airways airline. We took a 9-hour flight to arrive at Hamad International Airport, Doha, which is the transit location. Then continued the flight for 6 hours to arrive at Charles de Gaulle Airport, Paris. When continuing the flight, we boarded with a unique plane. The plane consists of 2 levels. It was the first time I saw a plane like that and got on it right away. It was really fun, and even more fun because my seat was on the 2nd level. Arriving at Charles de Gaulle Airport, we immediately bought public transportation tickets that are usually used by tourists. The ticket can be used for all types of public transportation, such as buses, trains, and subways. And it was available in bundles, available for 2 days, 4 days, and so on. So we bought tickets for 4 days. After that, we headed straight to our apartment in Choisy-le-Roi. At that time, it was snowing quite hard and with a lot of luggage. We finally chose to take a taxi, but it turned out that taking a taxi was not the right decision. The cost of our trip from Charles de Gaulle Airport to Choisy-le-Roi was 78 euros or around 1.3 million rupiah. Really expensive, wasn't it? From this incident, we learned that taxi should be avoided when going on vacation. During our 4 days in Paris, we visited many tourist destinations. The first we visited was the Arc de Triomphe, which is one of the most famous monuments in Paris. We took pictures and toured the garden around the monument. Then the second place we visited was the Musée du Louvre. Musée du Louvre is one of the largest art museums most visited by tourists. Many works of art are displayed there. What caught my attention the most was the Louvre Pyramid, which was made of glass and large iron. Its shape was very beautiful, especially at night. Then we also visited religious tourist destinations, the Cathedral Notre-Dame de Paris and the Basilica du Sacré-Cœur de Montmartre. Both are the oldest Catholic church in Paris. Even though the church is a place of worship, tourists are allowed to enter to see the ornaments, design, and atmosphere in the church, as long as we don't make loud noises and don't disturb the worshippers. The next tourist destination we visited was Château de Versailles, which is one of the largest and most beautiful royal palace in the world. In order to enter the palace, tourists must purchase tickets through online purchases. Inside the place, many royal works of art are displayed, and there is a vast courtyard filled with flowers. And finally, the tourist destination that must be visited was the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower is an iron tower built on the banks of the Seine, which has become a global icon of France. You can't say going to Paris if you haven't visited the Eiffel Tower. Actually, tourists can take the elevator to go up to the top of the tower so they can see Paris from H. But we were discouraged because the queues were very long. We just took pictures and visited the park around it. After spending 4 days in Paris, in the evening we left for Amsterdam by taking the Eurolines overnight bus with a travel time of 7 hours, so we arrived in the following morning. Like in Paris, we also bought public transportation tickets that were bundled for 2 days. In Amsterdam, we stayed in one of the resident houses which rents out rooms. Incidentally, the owner of the house is an Indonesian who has lived in Amsterdam for a long time because she married a Dutch. During 2 days in Netherlands, we visited 2 tourist destinations, Dam Square and Zandschenk. Dam Square is a square in the city center, which is the heart of Amsterdam. There are many interesting things that can be done there, one of which is that we can feed the free flying birds. Meanwhile, Zandschenk is a residential area known for its giant windmills collection. We took a walk around the residential area while taking pictures in front of each windmill that we passed. Apart from tourist destinations, we also visited Bataviastad, which is a factory outlet. There are many famous brand stores at affordable prices, such as Nike and Fossil. I was tempted to buy some things for myself and also gift for my family. After spending 2 days in Netherlands, we went to Helsinki by plane, which took about 2 hours. The air in Helsinki is very cold because Finland is one of the coldest countries in the world. In Helsinki, we didn't rent a lodging because it was only for 1 day, more like a transit, so we rented several lockers to store things. We just went around the city and visited the traditional markets, and then we returned to the airport to prepare to return to Jakarta. It didn't feel like 7 days have passed. We have to go back to Jakarta and end our vacation trip. For me, that short vacation was very memorable. It became memorable because that vacation was my first experience traveling abroad. And it became even more memorable because I was able to visit 3 countries at the same time. Especially vacation with 4 of my friends. It was truly the best vacation I've ever had.